In this video, I'll show you how to check Cash App card balance and how to find Cash App balance without the app. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Sometimes, you may not have the Cash App installed, or you just want a quick way to see your balance before making a purchase. One easy method is using your Cash App card at a store or gas station. Tell the cashier the exact amount you want to spend, for example $25, and have them run that as an authorization. If it goes through, your card has enough balance. If it's declined, your balance is lower than the amount you tried to use. This is a quick way to check your balance without opening the app. You can also check your balance online through the Cash App website on a secure browser. After signing in and verifying your identity, you can view your balance, recent transactions, and manage your account. This is useful if your phone isn't available. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.